The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Bitcoin with the ticker symbol BTC/USD. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Bitcoin, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the chart. So it looks like for several months now we've been going sideways inside of this range pattern. In my previous analysis, I was expecting a breakout to occur, but we did not get a breakout. We just bounced from that 18,000, the high $18,000 level, which is the bottom of the range, and there's resistance right around the $24,000 level. So I'll mark that also. So in my prior analysis, this looked like a breakout to me, which I was expecting a breakout to occur on the bottom side, making a new low of this downtrend. We did break out a little bit, but it's not really convincing. So if I just drag the range down, that looks like the new lows of the range, and this could just be the highs of the range. So not really convincing breakout on either end. So we'll just say prices are still contained inside of this range. So there was this downtrend previously in play, which has finished. I'll show you guys that right now with the channel tool. So it looks like there was a trend right here. It's going to make this yellow, and then there was a break of this pattern, a few legs down to a new low. This is a great opportunity for traders to enter because it looks like the downtrend is over. We're at strong support and we're far away from the EMA, which we can pull back to. You can see that traders definitely entered, and then a couple of days later we saw this massive impulse up, which is expected. We came back to the midline, pushed right through it. Now we're way above the midline and the EMA, so we could see a pullback. That's where we're starting to see a little red candle form. So this pullback could pull back to the EMA. From there, I'm expecting a bounce up all the way back up to the highs of the range. So it does look like we're going to see some bullish action in the short term, at least probably back up to the highs of the range. That does look like the thing that can occur. And now if we break through this midline and EMA again, it looks like this was just a failed attempt by the bulls, and we're going to come back to the lows and probably even break it this time. So I think the bulls want to bring the market up to that highs of the range at the $24,000 level. If they even bring it up there, we might even see a breakout occur. I'm just gonna assume that, because if I zoom out on the chart, you can see there is this downtrend channel in play. It's going to make that yellow. So it definitely was this confirmed downtrend channel in play. We have to break up the pattern, and then I was expecting a retest of these lows or even exceeding them because we had the breakout over here. We did come down, but we found some type of support. Now we're going back up, and it looks like we might just be drawn out inside of this range pattern. Now when prices start going sideways, there could be a bigger pattern in play. So if I zoom out even more and I start connecting the swings even more so, maybe something like that. I'm just going to drag this down. This fits pretty good, not great, but it does fit. I'm just going to make this probably a little bit flatter too. So let's do that. Let's do this. Let me zoom in on the chart. So it looks like this channel is fitting. We did get a couple bounces from the bottom side, and it looks like the midline is holding. So it does look like there's a potential big channel in play. So since we came up short on this side of the green channel, could lead to a breakout on this side, and it does make sense because we're just kind of going sideways towards this trend line that's approaching very, very shortly. So since we came up short here, that could lead to a breakout, and it looks like prices could come back to test this breakout level at the high $28,000 level. So it does make sense too, because it does coincide with a range breakout, and when we do a range breakout and it is successful, we double the range. So it does make sense that we could be seeing a breakout to the top side to this $28,000 level, but that'll probably just be a trap for bulls. I'm still expecting lower prices in the medium to long term. So in the short term, probably going to see a rally up. In the very short term, we're probably going to see a pullback, and then in the short term see another leg up. or even a breakout occur to this $28,000 level, but even the medium term to long term, I'm still expecting a retest of these lows. Is it guaranteed? No, but I believe it's still a higher probability, and I'm going to lean that way. So as of right now, it does look like we're seeing some bullish price action, and that's the reasons why. So let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Bitcoin. You can see there was a massive rally up since September 2020, and we're pretty much almost back where we started. It's almost 2 years. If you just held on, you didn't take any profit, we're pretty much back where we started. You still doubled your money, but we could see a drop. So we're starting to find some type of support at the previous highs of 2017. That was an all-time high at this $20,000 level, and we're bouncing from it. So this could turn into support, and we could see a rally up, which I'm expecting. And we're also far away from the EMA, so we could see a pullback there. So a couple of reasons why we should continue higher on the weekly chart. Bouncing from the 2017 highs, far away from the EMA, we could see 2 legs back, and that would take us to the $26,000 level. I'm expecting the $28,000 or maybe even the $29,000 level to be hit in this potential breakout, or we could just find resistance at the highs again and drop down. So that's another possibility. But sometime we're going to see a breakout occur, and if it's to the upside, that's the targets that prices want to reach. Overall, Bitcoin, even though I see lower prices, isn't guaranteed. Definitely not. And back in 2017, there was a lot of traders thinking we're going to reach the $1,000 level or even the high $2,000 levels. Price action stopped at the low $3,000 levels, so we could not even come back down to the mid 2000s or even $1,000 level, which is pretty much the start of this entire up move. So Bitcoin repeats that pattern. The up move started back here, I would say August of 2020 or even September 2020, and the price is right around like 12,000, 11,000, or 10,000. So if Bitcoin does the same pattern, then technically this would kind of be the bottom, because we cannot come back down all the way to the starting point. So if we can't come back all the way to the starting point, this could be a potential bottom. I don't know. That's just an assumption. It does kind of make sense, but we'll have to wait and see. Either way, I'm still bearish. I still think we're gonna reach the $12,500 level. That's the target I've been saying for quite a long time, because that's where the measured move is. But nothing is guaranteed in the market, and we'll take it day by day, and I'll give you guys an update if anything drastically changes. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.